In the field of agriculture, we can no longer ignore the relation borne by an immigration of several 100,000 per annum to the rapid increase of population, and still more rapid decrease of the public lands. What little remains of the valuable part of the public lands will very soon be gone. That outlet to surplus energy and alleviator of discontent, that great national safety valve, we are already beginning to miss, as witness the increasing congestion in centers of population and the mad rush of the homeless into Oklahoma and the Cherokee Strip. Such conditions recall Macaulay's prophecy that with the exhaustion of our lands and the pressure of a surplus population will come the real test of our institutions. Those institutions may prove equal to that or any test in the future, as in the past, but is it the part of wisdom to heedlessly hasten the time of that test, or to carefully prepare to meet it? Looked at in this way, the marvelous growth of the West has in its rapidity an element of danger to the country at large. It is sometimes said that if the great bulk of the immigrants could be diverted from overcrowded cities, mines, and factories to the western prairies, all would be well. But the objections to the immigrants on the score of their character and numbers still hold good to a considerable extent. Immigration from east to west is highly desirable for both sections, and the best class of foreign immigration has great value for the West. But the very large class of low-grade or labor immigration brings no real benefit, and has not done so for many years.